Every restoration is different. It starts with finding an object, because you know what you want to have, and it's not always that easy to find. But when you've found what you want, then the real voyage starts. My son is very interested in the mechanical work, so I've introduced him to the work.
I'm very enthusiastic about learning. I've been wanting to learn more for many years.
And during the dinner I was seated next to a Swedish guy who was very interrogative, and he told me about my career with the Bentleys. So the whole thing ended by him asking me if I could help him to find a car. So I said, I'll do my best. So which model do you want? And he said, I don't know. I know nothing about Bentleys, but I'm attracted by them.
And it just caught my attention that what if I owned a car like this?
The locals here, they love it when you come with something different. And this is different, and not only different, it's very straightforward. The most difficult thing in restoration is the problem with the subcontractors. Now the box is here, wonderful. So we open the box and there is the engine, but well, it looks sort of naked. So the engine comes here incomplete, so I can't build the exhaust system until I've got those pieces. People ask me how long does it take? Well, it's very difficult to say because you can't count the hours. Even during the night when you're asleep, you work in design and cracking problems, etc. And to my astonishment, it came to 227 different pieces that I made for the car. When I create something, I want it to have good lines, pleasant to the eye, and that's my philosophy.